umiyak kasi kanina nagdasal ako na sana okay lahat kasi nag-pictorial lang ako dati dito. May mga kasama.
Heart Evangelista emotional sa huling gabi nila sa Paris Fashion Week. Naalala niya ang dating mga kasama during her pictorial at nagdasal para sa mga pagkukulang niya sa harap mismo ng Eiffel Tower sa Paris. Patuloy ang pagtulo ng luha ng aktres at icon na si Miss Heart Evangelista kasama ang kanyang bagong glam team at tumantig ito sa puso ng marami. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Naging emotional nga si Heart sa huling araw nito. Super cry talaga ang actress habang kasama niya ang kanyang team at ilang fans doon. It's the last day of Fashion Week before I fly out, so we're gonna make the most out of our last day. Let's begin today. Yan ang sabi ni Heart Evangelista kasama ang kanyang mga bagong mga tagapag-ayos. May heart-touching message naman ang makeup artist ni Heart Evangelista na si Mr. Hill Sayo. I'm beyond grateful to God for giving me the best opportunity to share this lifetime with you. Blessed to know who truly you are and what kind of heart you really have. Congratulations and cheers to many more of your well-deserved blessings. At sinundan ito ng iba't ibang komento mula sa kanilang mga taga-suporta. Thank you for being a blessing to Heart too, Mr. Hill Sayo. We see your positive aura around Heart. At mula naman kay Heart Evangelista, sinagot ang kanyang makeup artist na si Mr. Hill Sayo. Who will love you kahit magkatabi lang tayo now, haha. At ipinakita nga ng kanyang makeup artist na si Mr. Hill Sayo ang mga sumunod na kaganapan sa pagkumpisa ng kanilang araw sa Paris, France. At ito nga ang last day nila na makakasama ang ilang mga fans doon. Dagsa talaga ang mga sumusuporta sa fashion icon na si Miss Heart Evangelista.
We love you, Miss Heart! We love you! Heart, we love you! Heart, we love you! We love you, Heart! Okay? Okay. Miss Heart, we love you!
Marami nga din ang nakisimpatsya nang makitang umiiyak si Heart Evangelista sa harapan mismo ng Eiffel Tower. Mula kay Pat Domingo, Heart, thank you for the humor, positivity, and drive you always bring during Fashion Week. We all love you and you are a significant part of the industry and the OG representative of our country, Philippines, in the fashion world. Fact, it's always fun to laugh and cry with you and you're the most real person out there. That's why I love to work with you. Thank you and your wonderful team for everything and see you soon. At ipinakita nga ni Heart Evangelista ang kanyang gawain bago nga matapos ang Fashion Week dito sa Paris, France. Ito ang kanyang huling araw at talaga namang hindi niya pinalagpas na i-video ang kanyang sarili at ang kanilang mga gawain kasama ang kanyang glam team.
Kuday, hindi ko na ulitin to. Come with me. Join me. Sounds bad. You can add that in the vlog. Good morning. 900 is back. I just have one problem. I drank something to go and it's already almost 12 and I haven't been. So now I have a problem. I have to shoot my Louis Vuitton content. Then I have a show at 4 o'clock. And you know Paris is very hard to find the Louis. So, good luck. So kakain ako ng egg, baka sakaling mag-flip. And aside from shooting this content, I broke my fast with the torsad.
brilliant.
Mula sa isa pang commenter kay Heart Evangelista, that video was truly beautiful, and the singing and dancing at the end brought a smile to my face. This season was tough with all the rain, but your kindness made everything so much more meaningful for all of us. The brownies and coffee were more than just treats. They were a reflection of your generous heart. I will miss you, Miss Heart, but the impact you've made will stay with me always. I'll forever cherish the moments we shared, especially your thoughtful gift. Thank you for everything until we meet again. Marami talaga ang nagmamahal at sumusuporta kay Miss Heart Evangelista. Sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay nila ng mga mensahe kay Heart Evangelista ay mas nalilift up nga itong si Heart.
Let it be, let it be, let it be. Ngayon siya sumasakit. Bakit ganun? Wow, ngayon talaga siya. Wow naman. Wow, Z. Nangangalmot na siya.
Wala doon. Wala.
Kahit ano lang tayo, tatlo lang tayo.
Oo, go na.
Go. I'll let you know if it's a boy or girl lang. Kambal. Pero hindi pa ready daw yung isang kambal. Bakit ganun? Kanina pa siyang call time niya. Late siya. Ayaw natin ng late.
Meow, 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 meow. Kung may daanan na pa,
Mula pa sa isang tagahanga, you have your whole heart to give, and everybody that surrounds you knows that you have the purest of intentions. Thank you to you and to Senator Cheese Escudero also for being there for Aiza team and your team. God bless your heart forever and always, dear Isa, and I will be grateful for you. Congratulations to Team Heart's success shows. We love you and see you to Hot Couture. Ayan ay mula sa isa pang malapit kay Heart Evangelista. God bless you more and more. Mahal ka naming lahat, dear. Sobrang proud kami sa'yo.